Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you back to our journey through Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous sutras, we explored how meditation refines itself from gross to subtle, from Sabij Samadhi towards a deeper stillness, state of Adhyatma Prasad. In Sutra 1.48, Maharishi Patanjali now reveals what arises when that stillness matures, a very special kind of knowing known as Ritambara Prajna. Today's Sutra 1.48 is Ritambara Tatra Prajna. The meaning is in that state, that is a state of Nirvichara Samadhi. So, in that state, the wisdom that arises is truth bearing, Ritambara Prajna. Let us understand word by word meaning of the sutra. Is made from Ritam and Bhara. The first word Ritam means truth, cosmic order, or that which is aligned with reality. The second word is Bhara, means that which carries or uphold. So together Ritambara means that which carries truth. Next word is Tatra, there or in that state. The last word is Prajna, which is higher wisdom. Ritambara Prajna means a wisdom that carries truth itself, not borrowed, not inferred, not imagined. When the mind becomes deeply refined through Nirvichar Samadhi, something remarkable happens. Knowledge no longer arises from thinking, memory, inference, or scripture. Instead, truth reveals itself directly. This wisdom is not created by intellect. It is not constructed by logic. It is not dependent on belief. It arises because the mind has become pure, still, and transparent. The previous sutra beautifully connects this state with Adhyatma Prasad, its spiritual clarity or inner grace. When restlessness dissolves and clarity prevails, wisdom flows naturally, without effort. Here, knowing is immediate. The seeker doesn't think about truth. The seeker abides in it. Maharishi Patanjali makes a crucial distinction here. Most of what we call knowledge comes from books, teachers, reasoning, past learning. But Ritambara Prajna is different. It is direct, experiential, and unmistakable. Because it arises from Samadhi, it carries certainty. There is no confusion, no contradiction, no doubt. This is why it is said to be truth bearing. It holds reality exactly as it is. You may notice moments in your life, rare but powerful, when something becomes instantly clear without reasoning. There is no inner debate, no questioning, just a quiet knowing. Maharishi Patanjali is pointing to the perfected form of that clarity, rooted in meditation. The essence of this sutra 1.48 is Ritambara Prajna arises from Nirvichar Samadhi. It is a knowledge born of direct experience, not intellect. It carries truth without distortion. This wisdom is supported by inner purity and stillness. In this sutra, Maharishi Patanjali shows us that the goal of yoga is not belief, but direct knowing. When the mind becomes clear, truth reveals itself effortlessly. In the next sutra, we will see how this truth-bearing wisdom is fundamentally different from all other forms of knowledge we have known so far. So, please join me for the Sutra 1.49 as we move even closer to the heart of the Samadhi. Namaste.